I'm Anna Grue, and this is my latest novel called Sidste Forestilling in Danish, Last Performance, and you're watching Book Zone.
Anna Grue, you are the creator of private investigator Dan Sommerdahl.
Yes.
Who is he?
Dan Sommerdahl is a very strange kind of detective in the Danish scene, because he's a private detective, a private investigator, like Lord Peter Wimsey in the late Dorothy L. Sayers novels. He's an advertiser, he's a copy editor, very high-flying, very high-powered, but he has a breakdown, a stress-related breakdown at some point when he's 43. And then, as some kind of therapy, his best friend, who's a policeman, asks him to help with an investigation. And suddenly he's a detective.
So you've written 6 books in the series.
Yeah.
What's the latest novel, Last Performance, about?
It's about lesbians. There are 5 lesbians in the novel. I thought it would be very funny to set the story in a lesbian environment, because my private investigator is a ladies' man. Women love him and he loves women, and I thought it would be funny to see how he would react to a lot of lesbians who don't react to him at all.
Many crime writers choose a policeman as their lead character. Why did you choose a private investigator?
Because I wanted to be free to lie a lot. I like to invent my stories from the bottom up, and not be too restricted by rules and regulations in the police force. And the private investigator gives me an opportunity to just invent crimes and make a lot of guesswork. I look at the crime novel as a media for games. It's a game between the reader and me. Do you know what I mean? And I like the puzzle thing, I like the playful thing, and as further away I can get from reality, the more playful it is. And that's why a private investigator serves my purposes best.
You've written many short stories about protecting one's private life. Why is that such a big issue for you?
I'm afraid that's how I am. I am very private, and I found out in a very high age that I was that private and that an introvert, and how much it has affected me all those years. I made magazines and so on. I was surrounded by a lot of people who wanted me for everything, and I couldn't find out why I was so disturbed by it, and why I was so unhappy when I returned to my home. I needed my space more than a lot of other people do, I think. And at some point I found out that a lot of the ideas I had, just written down and put aside, they were about people who in different ways were invaded by other people. And that's why I wrote those short stories.
So what next for you and for Dan Sommerdahl?
Right now he's on vacation, because I'm writing a completely different novel that has nothing to do with crime at all, and nothing to do with Dan Sommerdahl.
Intriguing. Anna Grue, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.